Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together the Easter egg treat box. First we start with the actual box. It's really simple. There are 5 different front panels included, so this is one with a background panel. Just go ahead and place it into the shaped area. Either side's the same, so it's the front or back. So now we'll assemble it. Just add glue to one of the tabs. Then you'll fold it up and match up the front edge with the tab fold. And we'll do that with all 4 tabs. So we'll do the other side first. Don't throw your glue like I did. And then gently fold it in, try not to get glue everywhere. Sometimes it's not the easiest for me. It depends on how my day's going, how well my finger's going to do. So I think it's easiest to put them on the back. I don't think it's a big deal. Some people might want to put it on the inside. And you could add a panel to the back as well. You could duplicate it and add it to the back if you wanted a double-sided treat box. But I would do it after you glue the tabs on if you do it this way. And just make sure that you apply pressure from within on the back side to make sure they're all secure and glued on. And then we'll add the handle. Now you could add this with glue like this. Of course that's a little messy, but you could add it with glue, or you could add it with a brad and poke through the box and the handle. It's up to you. However you want to attach it. And let me just glue on the other side. And I always say it's helpful, and you'll hear this in every video, to have a wet paper towel nearby if you do have some glue leakage, which I was reaching for. So now we have the handle on. I'm going to add a couple embellishments, little adhesive pearl embellishments to the middle of the flowers. Every pattern is different, so you could do whatever your imagination where it takes you. Then I just added the same pearls on the side to dress up the bottom handles, so it looks like it's like a brad. Or I like to add some sort of embellishment on most of my designs. And these are cute because you can just give these little gifts out to a bunch of kids with something in it, or adults or coworkers. And if you select to use the grass, I'm sure I was really thrilled with this color I chose. It was a little bit too green, but you can add that little grass piece to the front. So after it was on, I curled down the edges a little bit of the grass. You could do that prior to putting it on. Just curl it with your fingers just to give it more of a grass effect. That's it. Hope you like this project, and thank you so much for watching.